Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, this is the second last topic of the third chapter, and the topic name is collision. Collision in Urdu we are saying takrana. As we have studied in law of conservation of momentum, law of conservation of momentum, law of conservation of momentum, the total momentum of the system remains constant if the external force is zero. So it means that the collision was zero but the system was isolated. Here we are also the same concept we are using. When a two or more than two bodies comes closed such that it touch the surface to surface, is called collision in simple word. But in new definition we are saying that after that surface to surface, you can say as a result a change occur in momentum, kinetic and total energy is called collision. So how we can define is when a two bodies come closed such that it touch surface to surface, as a result a change occur in momentum, total energy and kinetic energy is called momentum, is called collision. So dear student, collision means surface to surface. If I say, look at my hand, this is my hand is touching surface to surface, but there is a word which is interaction. The difference between collision and interaction is that in interaction everything is changed, momentum, kinetic and total energy, but it is not surface to surface touch. Just like we are, for example, interaction of alpha particle with a nucleus, which is Rutherford atomic model. At that time there was alpha, this is the nucleus, this is the alpha particle comes across this one not touching surface to surface, just like a two football is collision occurring, or etc etc. Now this is arrow I have given to the interaction, but this is the example of collision. Collision are of two types. One is called elastic collision, other is called inelastic collision. But in elastic collision there is another one which is called perfect elastic collision. So first of all, elastic collision, वो कोलिजन जिसमें दो बॉडी आपस में इतने करीब आ जाएं कि उसके सरफेस टू सरफेस टच हो जाएं, और टच होने के बाद उसका टोटल मोमेंटम, उसका यानी बिफोर और आफ्टर की बात कर रहा हूँ, टोटल मोमेंटम, काइनेटिक एनर्जी वो कंजर्व्ड हो, कंजर्व मतलब ज़ाया ना हो, लॉस ना हो, इसको हम कहते हैं इलास्टिक कोलिजन. द कोलिजन इन विच द मोमेंटम, kinetic energy, total energy are conserved is called elastic collision. For example, we are discussing better the collision of two billiard balls, collision of two molecules in a container at a low temperature, and collision of a two elastic tennis ball, etc. All these are the example of elastic collision. However, in realistic there is some sort of loss is occurring. If I say kinetic energy, of course there is something due to the loss of kinetic, loss in sound, loss in heat maybe occur, but approximately we are saying elastic collision. In elastic collision, a collision in which the momentum is conserved but kinetic energy is not conserved is called inelastic collision. For example, पहले तो मैं एग्जाम्पल आपको बता दूं, दो गाड़ियों का टकरा जाना, बिल्कुल वो क्या हो जाते हैं, चकनाचूर हो जाते हैं, तो उसका मोमेंटम और मोमेंटम बिफोर कोलिजन एंड आफ्टर वो तो इक्वल होता है, लेकिन बेटा काइनेटिक नहीं होता. उसकी मैं समझा ही देता हूँ, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs है ये. वाई kinetic energy is not conserved? Now we are saying that inelastic collision, the collision of two cars, collision of the two stones, all these are the examples of inelastic collision. And this is from the page 66 I am discussing. The collision of billiard balls, we will discuss it later. Why kinetic energy is not conserved? Dear student, let we have a car, two car. One is this one, another is this one. And this is another car is coming. This having momentum P1, this is having momentum P2. When they collide, this is P1 and P2 before collision. When they collide, after there, they will have P1 dash and P2 dash. This momentum and this will be equal. Because, let's say, उसकी kinetic energy, उसकी velocity negative हो सकती है वगैरह वगैरह. But kinetic energy is not conserved. Why is not conserved? Kinetic energy, dear student, let's suppose this is moving 1/2 mv square, moving in this direction, collide with this body and moving in opposite direction. So this is initial kinetic energy, which is called 1/2 mv square. But kinetic energy dash will be equal to 1/2 m. जब वो यहाँ से टकरा जाते तो पलट कर वापस आता है तो वो तो है माइनस वी स्क्वेयर. सो माइनस वी स्क्वेयर माइनस जब स्क्वेयर आ जाता है तो वो भी पॉजिटिव 1/2 एम वी स्क्वेयर बेटा. सो यू नो दैट बिफोर एंड आफ्टर kinetic will not cancel each other, therefore it's not conserved. A very important question is, next we are going to discuss perfect head-on collision. परफेक्ट हेड ऑन कोलिजन वो कोलिजन होता है जिसमें बहुत ही कम लॉस हो. मैंने आपको बताया कि इन प्रैक्टिकल देयर इज़ नो सच अ कोलिजन इन विच द टोटल एनर्जी इज़ 100% इज कंजर्व. नो, सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता. एक क्रिकेट बॉल है, आपने यहाँ से गिरा दिया, टकरा जाता है, पलट कर इधर आ जाता है. ये मिसिंग जो आती है, दिस इज़ साउंड, दिस इज़ हीट, दिस इज़ डिफरेंट burden against the particle, etc., etc. This is a loss of in actual. परफेक्ट हेड ऑन कोलिजन वो कोलिजन होता है जिसमें मुकम्मल बाल को यहाँ से गिरा दे और पलट कर उसी जगह पे आ जाए. बट दिस इज अकरिंग इन सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल, some atomic particle, for example collision of electron, etc., etc. So perfect head on collision or a collision in which there is no loss of kinetic energy is occurring. However, the collision of a billiard balls, cricket balls, tennis balls, or collision of any other elastic bodies in which the loss of kinetic energy is occurring. But in perfect, when say there is no elastic, it means ideal situation we are studying. Head-on collision. But a head-on collision, when the two bodies collide in such a way that head to head collide, and after collision they follow the same path before they have followed before the collision. उर्दू में यानी वो जिस रास्ते से आया है वो उसी रास्ते को मेंटेन करे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर आर टू बॉडीज 1 and 2, they collide, either move in this direction, either move in this direction, either move one is this one and other is this one, but moving this, having the same direction, one line, is called head-on collision. Now we are going to discuss a mathematical in the video number 2 of collision. This was the video number 1.